Hi, my name is Bonima Tigela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Umnisi was done with his cross-examination. It was short and simple, and it was on point. We are done with him. He puts down he drops the microphone, gives it to, no other than Nxumalo. And Nxumalo, when he takes the microphone, you know how he is. He is a procedure man. He is a procedure man with experience as a prosecutor, and he comes guns blazing for the procedure. I appreciated what he did initially. He stood up for himself when he spoke with Ujadrata. Ujadrata tried to distract him, but Ugai was like, Andizi, I'm not going to get distracted. You are going to allow me to do my work without you interfering in my business. I'm so proud of him. I am very proud of him. And also, they were talking about a pro forma, right? While they were, was it a pro forma? I think it is the pro forma. They were talking about the pro forma. As they were busy with that, Ujadrata says, no, Undanzi says he did not sign it. And Nxumalo is like, but now I want to ask questions. He continued asking questions, which also the questions that he was asking, they were dealing with the procedure that was used. And the questions that Undanzi was meant to be asked, that he was never asked. Nxumalo knows most what needs to be done, where, how, because he is a former prosecutor himself with more than 20 years experience, if I'm not mistaken. And I like that he is a fed up Nxumalo too, just like Ramsipile. He used to he used to fold when Ujadrata comes for him. But now he stood his ground today, and I was so proud of him. I was very proud of him. And I was so happy when he continued doing his cross-examination without even paying attention to Ujadrata. They spoke about even the time where Gininda mentions that Umaphisa went inside the house. They dealt with the evidence of Gininda, and Ujadrata was trying to say, no, you know when Ujadrata you speak of Gininda, he gets worked up like that. If you wanna see him getting angry, or from him moving from from 0 degrees to 39 or to 100%, talk about Gininda and put Gininda's name in. To him, you are speaking about Gininda in vain. While when now you are busy trying to prove a point, this person is not an investigator, but a script writer. Ujadrata will go angry at you, and he has no shame when it comes to that. So when they were talking about this part of whether whether Umaphisa went in or out, or the DNA and stuff, tell me why Ujadrata started talking, because he's been quiet. That is when Gininda's name, the mention of Gininda's name, made the factory settings to return back to its original. He went back to factory settings as in like, an Ncheli loco, you are not going to speak about Gininda like that and me allow you. No. It's like Gininda ila, it's like Gininda, it's that boy that is like, if when you don't look after me, I will make sure after school I will deal with you. Ujadrata wenza leyo nto when it comes to Gininda's name. It's so weird. It is weird as like nobody's business. And the other thing that I've noticed is that when the defense fights back, he has no choice. Because I can't go anywhere. I'm dependent. So there's no way backward. So he is there fighting for Gininda, and the defense is fighting back. And they are like, I like that Nxumalo said Gininda did no investigation on Maphisa. He did no investigation. And was it me who heard Urata said, yes, zilch? He did nothing. Zilch. He did nothing, no investigation. He agreed with Nxumalo. He agreed with Nxumalo that Gininda did no investigation. I'm so proud of the defense, the people that they have become. Because just like Ramsipile, Gininda, Nxumalo used to be so scared of Ujadrata, Atule, and he would forget his line of his thought of process and whatever. But now, They stand their ground and they tell him where to back off, where to get off, respectfully so. So when he started, it was just fireworks. I was happy, and I was happy that he was speaking back to Judge Rata, telling him, this is what I want to do, and that is where I'm going. And he was like, okay, okay. Why was he even there in the first place? Ebesenzani? Ebengenelani? Because that man is very annoying. And the other thing that I like the most is that Judge Rata knows when he's wrong, guys. He knows. He's human. He's human. He knows when he's wrong. We're not going to run away from that. He flipping knows when he's wrong. She knows. And I'm so impressed with one thing, Kesana. I'm impressed with Uguti. Unxumalo also visited indaba yokuthi kaZandile, i-evidence kaZandile. He visited i-evidence holistic. When he mentioned, I'm dealing with evidence holistic, oh my God. I've never been so impressed by someone like that. He was throwing shade also to the judge. He was throwing shade also. The way to Gininda, he was, and then he threw shade left, right, and center, guys. Those are the highlights of today. He threw shade, Ukininda threw shade at the judge, threw shade at Umalo, and I was like, sir, now in Umalo Unjena, you can get petty. The pettiness is needed, guys. Them being petty is needed. I like it. I honestly like them being petty. I like that they use the things these people say to put them back into their corners, because Umalo used the single witness. I was like, Haibo Umalo. Let's go to Constable Zongo, the single witness testimony. Ow, my daughter. The single witness, that no one said anything. Not Judge Rata, not Baloyi, Luto. They sat there, they kept quiet. That was another shade that was thrown. Holistically, I'm dealing with the evidence holistically. That was another shade. It's Gininda who says that, and it's also Judge Rata who likes to say that. And I'm happy. Those words are being thrown back into their faces. I'm happy. I'm so impressed, man, with the defense, guys. I don't know. I don't know what else we need from them. They're doing very well. The questions that Umalo was asking, the questions that he was asking, I also, the other one that I liked was when he showed Uguti he's annoyed with the DNA nonsense. The DNA issue being when they are doing back and forth with it, and Ubaloyi is misleading the court. I was so happy. I was so happy when he was like, let's call the doctor to come back, because I call it. And the way he said, let's invoke Section 186 for the doctor to come back and explain, so that everyone is clear. You have your own version, Judge. I have my own. So, which means there is confusion in this court. We need someone who's going to come and unconfuse us. I was so happy. I was so impressed with that, guys. I do not want to even lie. I was so impressed. Tell me why Judge Rata ran away from that topic like nobody's business. He ran away. He sure did. What are your thoughts when it comes to the highlights of this day? Which one were your highlights? Because it's Umalo talking about the DNA and saying we better call that DNA expert to come and explain things here, because Ayiko Nansinto. It's Umalo saying holistically, I'm dealing with the evidence holistically. It's Umalo saying single witness. Yeah, one of those shades for me, they were my highlights for today when it comes to Nxumalo. What were yours? Let's talk with comment section. Please drop it there. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.